Hello everyone, hope you are doing great with me Haji. Today we will learn about how to make money online part 1. So let's dive into the topic. As we mentioned above, there are variety of the ways that you can make money online. Read on the Discover 11 ways to make money online. So we are going to discuss 5 topics. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are a plenty of the freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. There are the they are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of the remote freelance jobs. You will see listing for freelancers and web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialized. Over 15 million freelancers get their works from Upwork and see it's free to join. There are also 2 over million jobs for freelancers listed on the Upwork. Flex jobs and slide gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for the work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at flex jobs. They are research the jobs very thoughtfully and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on flex jobs. Time is always money, even at a freelancers. If you need work fast, check out Solid Gigs. They filter out all the job fast and they send you the best ones, thereby weeding the opportunity to you. With Solid Gigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. The second one is start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Sometimes someone click on your ad and make money and you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube so by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your videos online stores and get people to visit your stores and buy your items and contract with the third party companies to promote their products. Just make sure that you have a compelling offers for your viewers. Another way to make money or for YouTube channel is to create a sponsored content. This way you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing or your inventory. Instead, you can act as the go-between, find suppliers online who will sell your products wholesale, then mark it up and then earn profit from yourself. For computers and clothing to jewelry helpful, there are the thousands of the suppliers who can provide you with the inventory. Who can do this? You will need to have a website and or in e-commerce for store forefront of your own to market and sell the products. Take online service. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. These are the online survey website where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn online money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a big sign-up bonus, competitions, loyalty programs, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each service you can complete. Create a blog. Blogs are the popular money making tools because they are easy to create and offer many routes of the monetizations. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you can create an online course and sell your expertise to people who had to come to your blog. Or maybe you get a blog that specialized in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to the topics like guides, templates, ebooks, and more to folk that visit your blog. If you don't have your own course to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliated marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on your link or receives commission from your sponsoring company, there are plenty of the affiliated networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join. Becomes an affiliated marketer with. Another way to make money online with blog is to put a AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks to ads and make money, it can be great way to earn passive income. So these are some ways to make money